Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to our channel that is Fortune Forex Official. So today is 3rd of May, and we are shooting this video as a weekly analysis of gold, BTC USD, and US oil. And I hope every one of you are watching this particular chart that is 4-hour candle chart, 4-hour time frame. As whenever we do a weekly analysis, we'll have to start with the 4-hour candle chart, correct? And this is a 4-hour live chart, and you can see yesterday, because of NFP, gold has taken a particularly support and resistance at a live market. We have told in live stream as well. Those who have seen our live stream video, you can, or those who have not seen, those who are coming for the first time, you can like and subscribe the channel and go back to the live stream in which we have updated here that 3270 3268 will be working as a strong resistance, and gold has faced this particular resistance and then dropped back down almost 7 to 8 hours. Gold has struggled near about in London session, try to breach that 3268 3270, but somehow gold failed to break this particular level. And after that, NFP data came very disappointed for the prices of gold. It came negative for gold prices and positive for USD, and because of that you can see a crashed in the gold prices almost two times. Again, after the data, gold has tried to breach that 3260, but then both the time sellers are very actively fell shorted from there, and with the heavy volumes, gold came down up to 3220. So being a safe side trader, being a day trader, how you will plan your trade for the next week, as well as if you're a swing trader, then you have to be a particularly cautious about the buying positions which you have from the downside. So let's find out the resistance and support level, and also the factors that will going to be considered while taking any trade, and how you will find a good trade. Third, what are the datas which is very important in the next week. We will cover all this in this particular video. So let me just change it to the 1 hour candle chart and let me show you. Okay, so now if you see, there was a decreasing falling pattern in the gold prices. You can see the lowers are very high and highs are are very low. So you can see this kind of pattern whenever gold is giving this kind of pattern, so it's a sign of a bearishness. And because of this, if you can say, let me just zoom it for all of you. Okay, so this is area which is very important for gold prices to breach if gold wants to go up again. And this is 3265 to 3270 area. If that breach, we can expect the levels can go up to 3380, 3390 range. And from there, there was again a strong resistance which gold has faced twice or thrice earlier. So from there, we can expect the sellers will again get active, and then they will push prices down again. So on Monday or maybe in the next week, if you will find any prices of gold going up to this range 3267, you can plan yourself from here. If that is particularly level got breached and gold is smoothly breaking this, then 3380 3390 will be working as another resistance for all of you. So I must suggest you to take a sell from 3288 zone. But if you will see the prices are not breaking 3270 and the price consolidating around this 5 to 7 minutes, then you can plan your sell according to your risk appetite. So this is the first scenario where what you need to do and what you will going to do in the next week, as you have to plan your trade according to your risk appetite. Now let's say possibly before reach out to this particular level 3260, if market jumps down, like if market just giving a kind of like a good volume buying in the morning of Monday initiation session, and somehow got rejected the price, and if the price is falling down, then 3200 3200 3210 will be working as very strong support. So it might be possible that buyers will keep pushes pricing from here as a technical bounce back, as a technical support. So here the prices can take a proper support and then bounce back up. So this is the area where you can plan your trade as a buy side. If you are a day trader, if you are a scalping trader, if you see around 3205 3200, or maybe safe side 3196 zone 3196. Why? Because if you see the last previous candles of 15th April and 11th of April, here gold has taken, a support 2 to 3 times on the chart of 15th April and 11th of April. So this will be working as, a major support again. If prices fall down and take a support here, then buyers, I am 100% sure, will take, support from here, and then the prices will push up again. So this will be the both scenarios for all of you. You can buy on dip and sell on rise. I have already updated, kind of a planning trade. Now if we talk about a huge crash in the gold market prices, why I'm talking to you all this, because see, if I will just show you a 3000 put option is having a highest number of open interest, okay, and sellers are expecting that the market will fall. So before going to 3000, these are the areas where gold will going to retest, and if this level breach, then definitely we can expect the zones will be up to 3122. Okay, and then 3000 could be a possible chances where gold has already been survived last month as well. So these are the prices where we can expect that it can reach up to. Why I am giving you a support and resistance level very far, because this is a weekly analysis video. We are not doing an daily analysis, we are talking about weekly analysis. So this 3200 is working as a first support. If that breach, then 3120 will be working as a second support. Okay, and if that breach also, then we could expect, we should have been, expect that it will fall up to 3000 levels as well. So on the weekly analysis, I am telling you, if you're a swing trader, then if 3200 breach, then I will suggest you to exit from your buy positions and try to book profits which you have taken from, 3 to like 2900, maybe 3000 levels. So that will be a kind of, a best area where you can, capture your profits. And if you want to take a risk, and if you want to, continue with your buy positions, then it's up to you. But I will suggest you to, book profits at a certain period of time, because market is uncertain. And reason being, let me show you all of you. Let's get back to Forex Factory, that what are the important datas which we have in the next week. So it's a 5th of May. On Monday we have CHF CPI numbers, okay, and in the evening we have ISM services PMI data numbers. So this will be working as, a very important data on Monday. On Tuesday we have minor datas in London session, that is not a high impact datas. So the things will be, sorted out. Maybe we can find a, a good trade in forex currencies. And on Wednesday we have unemployment change quarter to quarter data and unemployment rate, that is NZD, that will be in the morning of Asian session. So we have to, stay away from the NZD pairs on Wednesday. And then in the evening, Wednesday, we have a late night. We have a very important data, that is a very important, a whole month, like most of the import, like one of the most important data, that is FOMC press conference and FOMC statement. And that will be going to occur on 7th of May. That is in the 11:30 in the late night of USA, sorry, early morning of the USA. And you can say a press conference is around, 12 a.m. on 8th of May. So as all the Asian traders, all the European traders, you will have to stay away after US session will going to be open. Okay, because you never know where market will goes. We ever never know like where market will go. So but whatever is expecting, we will definitely going to tell you in the daily analysis video that interest rate will be going to cut or not. I'm expecting it will not going to cut, because as already Jerome Powell told that because of the tariff plans, whatever they have considered, they have not taken any circulations regarding to the interest rates. And because of that, they are like, indecisive mode, that where we have to cut the interest rate right now or not. Okay, so because of that, they all are in the dilemma. And because of all the world market news, geopolitical tensions going on between USA and China, and also the war situations between Israel, Palestine, and Russia, Ukraine, and also the new war situations which is going on in between India and Pakistan. So these are the factors that can considered while taking any trade, and market will behave according to that. So I'll just suggest you that at the time of FOMC, these are the very important data, you need to stay away from the market. Now on 8th of April, on 8th of May, again we have a GBP very strong data, that is official bank rate, monetary policies, and monetary reports. So I will suggest you to stay away from GBP pairs in the morning. And then Thursday we have unemployment claims data, that is in the USD time, USA time. And on 9th of April we have a speech government of BOE, like England, Bank of England Governor Belly will giving a speech. So you have to looking forward for a forex currencies, and then we have a data of Canadian unemployment rate. So these are the some datas that we have to looking forward while taking any trade into the next week, and the most important will be falling on 7th of May. Okay, so you have to take care about it. And if you're coming for the first time on our channel, okay, so let me just mention it for all of you that this is our Telegram channel ID. If you want to reach out to us for any particular queries, so fortune signals underscore admin. This is our Telegram channel ID. You can reach out to us here for any important queries. If you have any particular, questions, if you want to know about our service packages, if you want to know about our free trials, we have Telegram channel as well as a free trial where we have yesterday given a sell signal. Let me tell you all of you that this was our signal which we have given yesterday. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is the NFP signal which we have given yesterday. The small lots we told sell gold around 3249. Our first target was 3246, second target was 3242, and the SL was 65. And from there, 3249 gold got crashed yesterday badly up to 3220. So this was a signal which we have generated here around, and you can see the levels can go down smoothly up to 3224. So we have already achieved our final TP. All the clients book a superb profit. So this kind of accuracy you will receive from our side on a daily basis. So if you want to join us, then you can message me here, Fortune Signals admin at the rate. Okay, and this is our Telegram channel ID. Now let me show you the support and resistance level. Support will be at 3200. If that breach, then 3130 will be next support. Yes, support is far away because it's you know weekly analysis. And if we talk about resistance, then 3270 will be working as a very important resistance, and 3290 will be the second resistance. Okay, so if that breach, we can expect the gold can go up to again into the bullish zone, into the positive zone. But before that, market has to survive, and if resistance will not breach, then we can again expect the levels can go down. So whenever the market was bullish side, we always take a buy signal, buy positions, and if the market is falling, then we have to take a selling position. This right now currently market is in the choppy ways, in the sideways, so we have to find a trade according to the support and resistance level. So selling will be occur on 3270, and buying will be happen from 3200. Trade according to your risk appetite and risk management. And if you want to reach out to us, YouTube description box also available on WhatsApp number, and we have a service department number as well on WhatsApp. You can reach out to us. If you're coming for the first time on our channel, please like and subscribe so that you will get all the more informations and daily videos analysis. Okay, so till then, see you. Bye bye, guys. See you on Monday with a live analysis video. Thank you.